I recently received one of the most beautiful testimonials from a subscriber, and I knew I had to share it with all of you. Right? With this, you will get to know sometime it is not just our effort, it is our energy which is blocking. It's our fear, doubt, frustration, and disappointment that we carry after facing rejections again and again. And this testimonial reminded me of that. The message said, here I'll put it, Kavita, I had been looking for a job for almost 3 months. I was attending interview after interview. She had given nearly 10 to 15 interviews, but nothing was working. Every time I thought I would get selected, I would receive a rejection or no response at all. I was becoming frustrated. I was losing confidence in myself. I started wondering if I was doing something wrong. Then I came across your video about the Vedic Switchword, SURYANI. I decided to give it a shot. Every morning I would sit quietly and I close my eyes and repeat SURYANI. I would chant it with faith and focus. While repeating it, I imagined receiving a job offer. I imagined myself joining a company. I imagined myself searching finally coming to an end. And then something unexpected happened. The very same day, I received a positive communication regarding a job opportunity. The process moved forward so quickly, and the next day I got the offer letter finally in my hand. When I read this message, I actually smiled with so much of happiness, not because I believed a single word magically creates a job, but because I understand the power of focused intention. You see, when we are in searching for a job for weeks or months, most of our thoughts become negative. What if I don't get selected? What if they reject me? What if I'm not good enough for this particular job? What if I never find the right opportunity? Without realizing it, that we spend more time visualizing failure than the success. And that's where the practice like Switchwords can actually help, because it raises your vibration, it changes your vibration. The purpose of Switchword is to interrupt the negative mental pattern. It gives your mind a new focus. Instead of thinking about rejection, you begin focusing on opportunity. Instead of worrying about what could go wrong, you begin seeing what could go right. So if you are currently searching for a job, here is a simple practice you can try. For next 21 days, every morning after waking up, sit quietly for a few minutes, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and repeat SURYANI, SURYANI, SURYANI for 54 times or 108 times. As you do, imagine receiving a call from your desired company. Imagine reading the words, "Congratulations, your name, you have been selected." Imagine yourself walking into your new workplace feeling confident, successful, and grateful. Feel the emotions as if it has already happened. Then just release it. Trust the process and continue taking actions throughout the day. Keep applying, keep learning, keep preparing yourself. Show up, because manifestation works best when your energy and actions work together. And who knows, your next opportunity may be much closer than you think. If you are currently looking for a job, comment below success. And remember, this is not a shortcut to your hard work or your action. I would love to know where you are watching from and what role you are seeking. And if the message resonates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is searching for their breakthrough. Remember that rejection is not the end of story. Sometimes it is simply preparing you for the opportunity that is truly meant for you. I'll see you in the next video. Radhe Radhe.